SoFi Money Prepaid Cards Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get prepaid cards wrong. They assume they are limited in use or lack benefits. The surprising truth about SoFi Money Prepaid Cards is that they offer flexibility, integration with SoFi's banking ecosystem, and rewards, and you won't believe how easy it is to manage your finances. Here's how it works. You can load funds from your SoFi account, pay anywhere Visa is accepted, track spending in the app, and even earn cash back on purchases. The card is integrated with budgeting and savings features in SoFi Money. For example, a freelancer could use the card for daily expenses while easily categorizing transactions and setting aside funds for taxes. Most people get this wrong. They assume prepaid cards are basic, but SoFi combines convenience, tracking, and rewards. Additional features include no account fees, ATM access, mobile wallet compatibility, and instant alerts for transactions. Users praise financial transparency, ease of use, and connected features with the SoFi app. However, there are considerations. Some perks require maintaining a SoFi Money account, and ATM withdrawals may have limits. Most people assume prepaid cards don't offer meaningful benefits, but SoFi makes it practical for everyday use. In conclusion, SoFi Money Prepaid Cards are ideal for anyone seeking a flexible, integrated, and reward-friendly alternative to traditional banking. Subscribe for more honest reviews of fintech tools and financial cards.